Raising a child is full of surprises. No matter how many parenting blogs I may go through, but nothing can prepare me for becoming a parent. If I could go back before he was born and I could tell myself things which I didn't know I would experience, I would exactly tell these things. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nidhi and I make many videos on parenting, recipes, cleaning, speed cleans, routines and much more. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update. As I was saying that parenting is a roller coaster ride, today I'm going to present you my top 10 tips I wish I knew before becoming a mom. My tip number 1 is that your standards for housekeeping will definitely go down. You know, one advice which I always got from other moms, I would say the golden advice which I always got from other moms and my mom was sleep when your baby sleeps. But being a working mom, I was always on time crunch and I used to start working immediately when my children fell asleep. So the result, no sleep for mama. But lately I realized that the world won't stop if I take a nap along. And that's how now I have paid less attention on chores and I try to get as much nap as I can. Because even 6 hours, you know it mothers, even 6 hours of uninterrupted sleep feels like we have won the lottery. So this is it, that now I pay less attention on chores and I try to have more time, or I try to take more time for focusing on my nap or to play with my children, because in the blink of eye they may be on their own and you will realize that you have lost your childhood. My tip number 2 is that you will experience a turmoil of emotions. I wish I had known how absolutely overwhelmed I would be. I never thought I would love someone so much. The love is so strong that it can change you. In 24 hours of frame time, you will love them. At one point you will love them so much. But there is also a time when you don't like them at all. Bizarre? That's what parenting is like. I will count down until their bedtime. But when they are asleep, all I want to do is kiss them and hug them. So be ready for this roller coaster of emotions. My third tip I wish I had known before becoming a mom is that you cannot be prepared. Come on, you are not fully ready. I don't think it's possible to be completely prepared to grow and raise a human being. You learn along the way and you make mistakes. It's completely okay to make mistakes. Don't stress too much. There's no marathon to win a Best Mom award. Actually, this is an ongoing process. Your children grows and you also grow along the way. Motherhood is actually growing with your children. No one is great all the time. You have to be true to yourselves and you should be having true values. That is what matters at the end of the day. When you are having true values, your children will definitely grow up to be good adults. My next tip is that you will see your parents differently. I wish I had known my parents clearer and I would have loved them better. Because only when you become parents, you start looking at your own parents with new eyes and you realize what each moment meant to be and what all things they have done for you. When I was a kid, I thought I am someone who looks up to my parents and I always appreciate them. But what I didn't realize is how much they have done for me. My mother has sacrificed so much. She sacrificed her dream. She sacrificed everything about herself to raise us. So Only until I became a stay-at-home mom now, I started realizing that yes, this is what the life is, mommy life is. And after being a stay-at-home mom, when I used to get frustrated, the only person every day I used to call was my mom. So this thing, after becoming a mom, this has completely changed my relationship with her, and now I have started seeing her with more respect and more love. So the next thing I wish I had known before becoming a mom is that you will never be the same person again. Yes, you are going to change in a lot of matter. Motherhood has changed me completely. And no, I'm not talking just about the physical appearance. Of course, that's also a long topic to talk about. But what I mean to say here is that I had lost a lot of friends along this journey of motherhood. Because now my priorities have changed. My world now is my family and my kids. So I may never be the same person again. So be open to your new life and embrace everything that comes along, because that's the best life there it is. My tip number 6 is don't worry if your child is not reaching the development milestone. He wasn't talking until he was 2 years old. By the time when most of the babies of his age had started talking very clearly. And I was stressing a lot upon this, and I was actually forcing him to speak, and it was disappointing me a lot. So this was taking a toll on me. But when I was having a second child, that is Dia, I understood that all kids grow up at their own pace, in their own time frame, and you don't have to rush or worry about their development milestone. So don't worry. I realized that actually when he was not talking, he was actually using his energy to walk. So I think you should not rush your child, or you should not force your child to talk, to write, to read, or to walk. They will learn in their own pace, and they anyway grow up too fast. So just relax. My tip number 7 I wish I had known before becoming a mom is that going anywhere will never be the same. Once you become a parent, time shifts. What used to be a 5-minute time to go to a store will now become a 1-hour time frame to account for changing diapers, putting them in strollers, giving them some snacks, and so many things, you understand. So, in fact, when we go out for dining, my children are always shouting and they are crying. Sometimes they spill pastas on the floor. Sometimes there are broken glasses and those angry other diners looking at us. So things turn very weird. In fact, watching a movie together is also an experience. So now we finally decided that we will go to kids friendly areas, and mostly we visit parks where he can shout, run, jump and do whatever he wants to, and nobody to judge. My tip number 8 I wish I had known before becoming a mom is that you will get a lot of advice. And yes, I mean a lot of advice from anyone and from everyone. So don't worry too much, don't take too much of guilty on yourself, and don't turn to Google to get all your solutions done. If you are doing something which you feel is correct for you, it might be wrong for somebody else. And what is wrong for somebody else may be correct for you. So go with your instincts and do whatever you feel correct. Tip number 9 is get on a routine and get on a routine. When I was pregnant with Heath for the first time, I thought I will just rock this stay at home mama thing. and I would be the perfect mom, the coolest mom ever. I'll get all my chores done on time and I'll just laugh about the things. Dia is crying. Wait a second. So Dia is back. What I was saying that I thought I would rock this stay at home mama thing and I will do all the chores nicely. I would have lovely hairstyles, make fancy dinners and everything. I try to achieve some, but most of the things are out of control and I cannot have control of everything. And that's when I realized that I should have a routine badly. So having a morning routine, evening routine, afternoon routine where I can have more of naps is what I wanted. So if you want to be a mom and be a little organized mom, see to it that you set up your routines before being a mom. And the last tip I wish I had known before being a mom is parenting is hard. Yes, I mean to say that parenting is hard. Sometimes you will feel that everything is going wrong. Sometimes you may also not like your children and you will just hate looking at them. Sometimes you won't feel good about yourself. Sometimes you may feel that what you have done throughout the day. What I mean to say is relax, just take a nap. Give your child to your spouse, give your child to your grandmother or to your nanny, to anyone. Take a break, visit your friends, take a date night out and do whatever you like, do whatever you enjoy, but take few breaks so that you can become a wonderful parent second day onwards. So these are my top 10 tips I wish I had known before becoming a mom. Also please let me know in the comment down below section what you wish you would have known before becoming a mom. So that's it. Thank you. Bye. See you soon. Give flying kiss. Give. Acha, give high five to mama. Bye. Bye.